Welcome to morrislcrescue. I'm your host JC, and this is competition number 2. Now this competition is only open to subscribers on the channel, so whether you're an old subscriber or a new subscriber, it doesn't matter as long as you are a subscriber on the channel. Now what we aim to do is, I'm still gathering data on episodes from 2022 and what you thought of it. So all you need to do to enter this competition, and please only enter once, is let me know what your favourite episode was from 2022. Just helps me pull a little bit more data back directly from you guys, and again, we can fine tune things. I do take all your comments on board, and we're slowly teasing the show into something that everybody's enjoying. So that's the aim anyway. So on offer for prizes, we have a wonderful set of genuine Australian-made RM Williams mud flaps. Now you can put those on your pickup, your utility, your truck. You might want to hang them in the man cave or the shoe shed, I don't know, up to you. We've also got some more of our little retro signs, antique automobile signs, metal signs. They are replicas, they're not the real thing, but they'll still look good hanging on any wall, or as I said, fixing rust holes in floors. We also have a box of Tetley Extra Strong tea bags, and even though I might not be able to have a couple with you in person, we can still share one in spirit over a Tetley Extra Strong. So don't delay, we'll be drawing that prize on the 26th of January 2023, which is Australia Day, and we'll let everybody know on the channel who the lucky winner is. So please get your entries in, and yeah, look forward to seeing you all in 2023.